Third set underway.
Ayan, and Ateneo trying really hard to get. Yung ano nila kasi kanina, no, in the first set, nauna sila eh, di ba? Tapos second set, ganun ulit. Pero nung first set, medyo nagpabaya din sa huli. So
Absolutely,
ngayon,
correct.
I'm pretty sure, yan yung in mind nila. Pag tuloy-tuloy kailangan na until it's over. Which is actually, yun ang naging problema nila in the past.
Correct.
Really closing out the game.
Yep.
Diba?
Parang Ronnie Magsanok used to tell me that is hardest in any sport,
Yes.
yung closing it. That, halimbawa 14 ka, that's hard, or 24 ka, that's always hard yung itatawid mo eh. Kaya relief ko minsan eh. Okay, but take nothing away from San Sebastian. They're
yes.
just slugging away here, and nicely so. We're tied at 1. We're tied in the number of sets as well. Told you, it looked like a 10-set day.
Oh yes, and you kinda knew na syempre itong when you have Zheng Boli and Sue Roses on
Oh
the
my
other
God,
side,
yes.
hindi naman magpapatalo lang to ng basta-basta.
And you have Dakis and something happened in the email trail.
Si Coach Roger yung mukha niya parang, okay, so...
Isa pang puting buhok ang lumagdag sa ulo ni Roger Dureb. At lahat ang nakakaintindi ng volleyball dito.
Free ball given to San Sebastian. Malyari taking it.
Now, this is where communication is important. When everybody seems to be coming unglued, you need somebody to calm you down. Dakis, Ferrer, combination. Back through off the defense. Good chase. And Crisostomo says goodbye to all.
Oh my goodness. That is how important Spicasa ball is to San Sebastian.
You only get 3 tries. Before on the 3rd try, you gotta send it over. That's how hard this game is. Oh!
Beautiful! Excellent serve coming from Eliza Valdez. Parang may chauffeur eh.
She has stretches like that, where her serve has butter on it.
Kita mo yung curve going down eh. Parang picture sa baseball.
Hello. And Trish Crisostomo is trying to be coy about it, but that backfired. Lady Eagles by 1. Yun yung play na damned if you do, damned if you don't.
And it's hard to do that when you're really close to the net.
Yes, that is the better observation actually. Wally. Tejada. I knew he was going for it.
And Tejada, alam mo yun, actually it was close to the net. Ang nangyari lang doon, Malyari did not go for the block.
Watch Tejada here.
So, libreng-libre. Diba? And yun ang ayaw ng mga coaches. If you don't go for the block, nasisira talaga yung defensive pattern eh. Kahit yung mga players sa likod.
That play threw off the defense of San Sebastian. Regalo.
Phil Cainlet
Why do you,
taking that gift.
you know, why do you call it regalo? Because it looks so big. It looks like a present. Those who have played this game, you know it's as big as
And it's
a
going
hot
towards
air
you.
balloon.
No one else but you.
Yes, why? You ask the question in the deeper meaning of life. Why is it here? Dami sinabi. Roses!
Angel and Dakis going down the line.
Boy, when this woman has it down pat, and I think Jem Ferrer knows exactly where to give it, actually.
Well, Tejada, 3 attack points. Malyari with 2.
Back row stab by Uy. Ferrer, reverse. Huli si Cainlet.
Yun ang nangyari doon. That was so well read.
Birthday ni Clint Malaso, coach ng San Sebastian.
Hey, happy birthday!
Malamang Shakey's ang punta nila. For Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Medyo malamang that kasama tayo. Boli, 14 points so far. Labiano with 5, Roses with 4, and Berbano with 3.
Lazaro, free ball. Dakis.
Zheng Boli adjusting.
Nice stretch by Rachel and Dakis. Down the line it goes.
But Eliza play.
Technical timeout. Did you see Dakis throw that fist into the air? Because it was such a spectacular shot by a woman known by one name, Eliza.